Watch me fix frontal for the first time.
I won't damage my hair. It's only up on my bare head. I feel like headache will worry me for this, you know. Not too close to my eyebrow.
So, are you okay? This is your eyebrow.
You see my eyebrow now, see the distance, it's not even up to 1 inch. You just say boycott Ebbing, boycott Ebbing.
Please, they haven't done me anything.
Because as much as people are saying boycott it, people are still using it. So, this thing is on my forehead. Don't clean my forehead. You not clean before you put it.
Clean? What do you have foundation for me to clean?
They put this thing for my side base. Are you sure it's not better to wear the net we have on it?
No, to make your head tight. There's no point. I already put the glue.
Lace wear.
Let me finish stand before you didn't lace wear.
Don't worry.
They'll go and tell you later.
They want to strangle me, oh. Yo.
Sorry. Ooh, it's already melting.
Sorry. Finishing first. The look was coming together at this point. That's why people was making noise in my ear. I'm not the bride, I said, there's a minute.
It's given. It's given. Hair laid by Valerie. No, laid by Uyi. Styled by Valerie. Which one be supported by Uyi?